Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over our '04 and up CBR 1000 Swingarm Extensions. Alright, so starting out, we've got our two finish options. We got our black powder coat and the raw aluminum, both of which feature the logo engraving, which we offer at no additional charge. For the CBR 1000s, the only difference between them is very minuscule. For '04 all the way up, all the way to 23 right now, it'll all be the same as this brake mount here. Your caliper is literally just going to slide into here, and once you tighten up your axle, that'll keep that from moving or rocking back and forth. So what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm extensions. Right here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. So our standard trains usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. And as far as for non-ABS bikes, you got all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. As with everything we make, lifetime warranty on all of this. If there's ever any problems, please don't hesitate to reach out and give me a call. That should wrap up our 2004 all the way up to 2023 Honda CBR 1000s.